All right, so it looks like if you got one of these Kubotas, you know, you got 2 separate seats, and then you've got the seat back. So it does have 4 individual covers that'll cover the individual parts of the 2 seats. But anyway, so I've just opened these up. I haven't messed with them, so you're gonna see it putting them on if it's intuitive or if a dummy like me struggles. We're gonna find out together. There's Velcro. Okay, so this probably goes around the back seat because there's Velcro, and I'm guessing that loops behind it. So I'm not sure. There is a little bit of instructions here. I don't know that you need a whole lot of instructions. Oh yeah, the Velcro's for the back. Oh, the Velcro's for the driver back. The passenger back looks like it's got a different system. So therefore this one must be the driver back. All right. Oh, it fits on there pretty snug. Oh yeah. Kind of hard to get it up around there. And there's, you know, the seat's a curve. This doesn't appear to want to really contour with it, but that's all right. And once we got this pulled up here, it doesn't want to really necessarily come all the way around there. It's a bit on the tight side. It's a bit on the tight side, and then we got the Velcro here just to hold it on. All right, so trying to figure out which one's the driver and the passenger. There is a tag in here. I don't know if you're gonna be able to read that, but this one does say driver base. Well, I don't know if they're directional or not, but I had a hard time putting it on. I turned it around and it went on easier. So they may be directional, I don't know, but it's mostly on. So one thing that's kind of weird is up under here where you've got the knob for to scoot the seat up and back. There's no like cutout or anything for it, and you can't, it's not like enough to bring down over it, and therefore, if you can see right through here, it doesn't therefore go up under it. But it doesn't look like it's supposed to. There's not a whole lot of stretch left, but you don't have it clinging under there. So I wonder if that might ride up eventually. It'd be nice to see if there was some way to cut out here and then keep that elastic snug up under there or something. But anyway, there you see the covers on one of them. And it looks nice. This one's got a strap. Now that's the passenger. Yeah, because this one doesn't come up. So we gotta feed that strap. Oh boy, that ain't gonna be easy, is it? Oh. This is easier. So this seat is not, you can see it's rounded here, and then it's more squared off here. So it was a little difficult figuring out the layout of the cover, because the cover, here's a credit to the cover. That was a little more difficult to get on, but here's a credit to the cover. It is shaped for this. It's not just a generic square cover. It is shaped for this. It was just not, to me, an idiot, it was not completely obvious which corner goes where. But hey, it looks like if you do this, there's a stitching that goes all the way to the back and all the way to the back, and then a stitching that goes all the way to the back, okay? I've just discovered this after the fact, which sucks. But those stitchings and the corners that go all the way to the back, those are your square corners. The round corner does not have that stitching. So if you're watching this before you install them, you're welcome. And then you just gotta make sure too, they kind of want to cover the holes. You gotta make sure you got these not covering those bolt holes to hold the seat back on. And then we'll put the seat back on, and hey, that one's good and secure. That's probably the best one because I took it off. That's probably on there, the best of all of them maybe. I don't know, who knows. But these, you can see they're clean. If you take this closer look here, you see there's not a whole lot of dirt on them. The dirt doesn't really seem to be sticking to them.